Power factor optimization, the engine of data center efficiency. Defining the metric, real versus apparent power. Power factor, PF, is the crucial measure of how effectively electrical power is utilized in an AC electrical system. Technically, it is the ratio of real power, which performs useful work, to apparent power, which is the total power supplied. A PF of 1.0, or unity, signifies perfect efficiency. All supplied power is used. The cost of low power factor. In data centers, a low power factor is a direct operational inefficiency. APF below unity means more current must be drawn from the utility to deliver the required real power. This excess current, called reactive power, doesn't do work but heats up cables and transformers. Utilities often impose financial penalties for a low power factor, typically below UPS input power factor. The uninterruptible power supply, UPS, acts as both a load and a source. Its input power factor defines its draw from the utility. Older, 6-pulse rectifier UPS designs could exhibit a PF as low as, creating significant harmonic distortion and requiring oversized upstream infrastructure. The rise of IGBT rectifiers. Modern UPS systems largely employ insulated gate bipolar transistor, IGBT, rectifier technology. This advanced front-end design uses active power factor correction, PFC, circuits to actively shape the input current waveform. This results in a near-unity input PF, often exceeding at full nominal load. UPS output power factor rating. The UPS output power factor defines its capacity. A 100 kVA UPS with a traditional PF of can only deliver. Modern systems, especially those designed for high-density IT loads, increasingly offer a unity PF, meaning a 100 kVA UPS can deliver its full capacity. IT load characteristics. Today's IT equipment, servers, storage, and networking devices, almost universally incorporate internal power factor corrected, PFC, power supplies. These loads typically present a near-unity PF to the UPS, often in the range of 2. This makes the UPS output PF rating critically important for maximizing available real power. Power factor correction, PFC, techniques. PFC is implemented to counteract the effects of reactive components. Passive PFC uses capacitors and inductors but is less dynamic. Active PFC, common in modern UPS rectifiers, uses high-speed switching to dynamically maintain a near-unity PF, significantly reducing total harmonic distortion, THD, to below. Impact on infrastructure sizing. Improving the power factor reduces the required current flow. This directly translates to savings, allowing for the use of smaller, less costly conductors, circuit breakers, and transformers. A high power factor increases the real power capacity that can be utilized from the existing electrical infrastructure. Efficiency and cooling benefits. Less wasted reactive current means less heat generated within the electrical distribution system. This reduction in heat loss improves overall system efficiency and lowers the demand on the data center cooling infrastructure, which can account for up to of a facility's total power consumption. The economic imperative. For a data center, optimizing power factor is not just a technical detail, it's an economic imperative. By ensuring a unity or near-unity power factor both at the utility input and the UPS output, operators can maximize the ratio of usable power to total cost, directly improving the crucial power usage effectiveness (PUE) metric.